Hello friends, this is Sai Prakash. In the previous video, we have discussed about problems regarding temperature, coefficient of resistance and effect of frequency on resistance. In this session, I would like to discuss about color coding concept of the resistor. Before this, please go through the previous video for the better understanding. I hope you will enjoy the video. Please follow the classes regularly. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box or you can use the group link in the description. Coming to the concept of color coding of resistors. Generally, for the resistors, they will label power rating and resistance value on the resistor. But coming to the carbon resistors, these are in smaller size. So, the concept of color coding of resistor come into the picture. If we consider this as a carbon resistor, this is of 2 terminals. We have 4 or 5 bands generally. This is band 1, this is band 2, this is band 3, this is band 4. The band 1 represents first value of resistor, where band 2 represents second value of resistor and band 3 represents multiply, where band 4 represents tolerance value. These carbon resistors are very smaller in size, so the concept of color coding come into the picture. We can call these as bands or the rings. This is for the band type resistor, band type carbon resistor or band type resistor. Color values for resistance. This column indicates the color, where this indicates the first band and this indicates the second band, this indicates the third band and this indicates the fourth band. Coming to the first band, indicates first letter of resistance, whereas second band indicates second letter of resistance. Third band indicates multiply. Fourth band indicates tolerance. So, in this we have black. If we take the first band, its value is 0. If we take the second band, its value is 0, and if we take the third band, it is multiplied with the 1, and fourth band it has no value for black. Coming to the brown, first band it will have value of 1, for the second value it will have value of 1, it will have value of 10 for the third band, for the fourth band it will have value of plus or minus 1%. You can see here for the black, this is 10 to the power of 0, this band, so that is equal to 1. This is 10 to the power of 1, so 10. This is 10 square, so 10 square, 100. Coming to the gold, there is no meaning for first and second band. For the third band, it have 0.1 or 10 to the power of minus 1. And if for the fourth band gold exists, then it have a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. And coming to the silver, third band indicates 0.01 or 10 to the power of minus 2. For the fourth band, it indicates the tolerance of plus or minus 10%. No color indicates plus or minus 20% tolerance. Fourth band indicates tolerance. Third band, this indicates the multiple. First and second value indicates, first value indicates first letter of resistance, second band indicates second letter of resistance. For easy understanding or easy memorizing, we have B.B. Roy, Great Britain, has a very good wife. From this B indicates black from the first, and this B indicates brown, this R indicates red, and this O indicates orange, this Y indicates yellow, whereas this G indicates green. Coming to the Britain, this B indicates blue, and coming to the V indicates violet. Coming to the good, G indicates grey, whereas W indicates white. Gold, silver. This is for the easy memorizing, friends. Please follow this. I am also following this. Coming to the problem. Friends, this is question 1 and this is question 2. For the question 1, first band is having red, second band is having black, third band is having golden, fourth band is having golden. So, from the table, we have first band as red. So, for the first band, we are having a value of 2. So, I am taking question 1 answer. I am taking 2. We have second band as black. So, I am taking in the second band, black is having a value of 0. So, 0. And third band indicates multiple. So, for the gold, we have to select the multiple is 0.1, that is 10 to the power of minus 1. So, we have to multiply with 10 to the power of minus 1 or 0.1. For the fourth band, we are having a value of golden. So, for the golden, tolerance value is plus or minus 5%. So, tolerance is plus or minus 5%. So, by solving this, we will get 2.0 ohms with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. Coming to the second question, first band is having red, second band is having yellow, third band is having black, whereas fourth band is having red. So, for the red, coming to the first band, is have a value of 2. First band and coming to the red, we have a value of 2. So, for the second question, answer red having a 2. So, coming to the second band, we have for the second question yellow. Yellow second band is having a value of 4. So we have to take the direct value 4. Coming to the third band, we have a value of black. For the third band, multiple is 1. So into 1. For the fourth band, it is red. So coming to the fourth band in red, we have a tolerance of plus or minus 2%. So tolerance is plus or minus 2%. By solving this, we will get 24 ohms. 24 into 1, 24 ohms, and having a tolerance of plus or minus 2%. Friends, for this question we have to find the resistance value. They have given the first band of red and second band is violet and third band is orange, fourth band is silver. And for the second question, first band is yellow, second band is violet, third band is yellow and fourth band is golden. These two questions are for you friends, please solve this. Friends, for the third question, first band is brown, second band is black, third band is green, fourth band is golden. And coming to the fourth question, first band is brown, second band is black, third band is blue, and fourth band is silver. Please do these problems and comment in the comment box, or you can use the group link in the description. Friends, I will keep the coloring values in the video. Please follow that for these questions. This is Sai Prakash signing off. Please stay tuned to our channel. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and comment and share for the video. Please subscribe to our channel.